Good afternoon. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is logistics defines success of an organization. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there are different organizations in this world which are manufacturing large number of goods according to the needs and requirements of different categories of customers. But here the point is, only proper manufacturing and flawless manufacturing of a product is not going to give you any benefit unless that product reaches your customers. If that product is not reaching your customers properly, it is not going to give you any kind of financial benefit. Doesn't matter how effective your production process is, doesn't matter how hi-fi your industry is. Your industry may include large number of technical devices, your industry may include large number of expert professionals who are involved in manufacturing of that particular product which you want to sell to your customers. But if the product is not reaching potential customers, your industry cannot gain any reputation. And in order to send those products properly to your customers, you must concentrate on proper logistics, proper transportation system. If the transportation system is not proper, the goods and services, they cannot reach potential customers, and customers will never be able to understand that what type of goods the company is manufacturing, what type of products the company is manufacturing. Logistic is the sole criteria of success of any organization, ladies and gentlemen. That's why concentrating on logistics aspect is very crucial for any company. Okay, the goods and services that you are manufacturing it with high-tech technology. The products that you are manufacturing, they are of 100% standard quality, but what is the use of it if the customers are not availing those products? The customers who are nearby your city, okay, they can avail that product, they can purchase the product from different shops, but what about those people who are not situated near your industry? And if you are not having proper transportation system to send those products to other customers, people will never come to know that what you are exactly manufacturing. So if someone is not able to understand, so if someone is absolutely not knowing that what you are manufacturing, how that person can ever utilize your product and understand that what is the quality of it? That's why you need to have a good logistics system. The speed by which you send your manufactured products to different parts of the country, that defines success of your industry, ladies and gentlemen. Now here two things are crucial. Number one, the transportation system that you are using for your specific industry, that should be 100% perfect. That should be 100% perfect. There should be no problem in the vehicle that you are using to transport the goods from one place to another. And another crucial aspect is, which I would say that it is not in your hand, is proper roads. 100% metalled roads, ladies and gentlemen. This is the second aspect which I must say that this is not in your hand. As manufacturers of the product, if you want to send your product to other parts of the world, to other parts of the country, definitely you must have good vehicles. The loading capacity of those vehicles should be good so that large number of goods can be loaded at one particular time without causing any damage to the vehicle. So that is your internal agenda. You can plan policies according to what type of vehicles you should have, how tough those vehicles should be in order to load the products that you are manufacturing in large quantity. And the second aspect is the quality of road, which is completely in the hand of state government and the central government of the country. So the state governments and central governments of the country, they must try to construct large number of metalled roads. And during the construction of roads also, it must be kept in mind that the roads should not be constructed in a substandard manner. You know, saving material, saving construction material. When you are constructing roads, you must keep in mind that it is ultimately going to increase the profit of your industry, the profit of your country. If the goods are not reaching different parts of the country, how different people of the country will ever be able to utilize those goods? People won't even be able to know that any kind of good is getting manufactured in a particular industry. And it all depends upon proper logistics. Here, two things are there. Number one, the transportation system, the vehicles that organizations are using, they should be of 100% good quality. And the second thing lies completely on the shoulders of state government and central government. Please, all the representatives of state government and central government and whosoever is governing a particular city, particular town, particular state, always remember, if you construct roads with full honesty, India will soon become a developed nation, ladies and gentlemen. There are certain minor things in life on which we never concentrate, but once we start concentrating on these minor things, very soon our country will become a highly developed nation. If the roads are not proper, if people are not even able to walk on roads, how a heavy vehicle can travel on that road? A common man, a simple man, he is not even able to walk on that road. How do we expect that heavy vehicles will ever reach that kind of bad road? That's why construction of proper and metalled roads is the priority. It is the desire of today's time. That's why I am saying that different representatives of different politicians who are handling this country at different levels, state level, village level, taluka level, national level, I will say, all these politicians, they should thoroughly concentrate on constructing proper roads. And if there is some drawback, people are not taking this thing seriously, people are constructing roads in a wrong manner, 100% contract of giving road to those people should be cancelled permanently. No contract should be given to that person who is not constructing road in a proper manner. Ladies and gentlemen, proper road is the lifeline of Indian economy. We should never forget it. If roads are not proper, goods are not going to reach anyone. People will never be able to come to know that what type of goods are getting manufactured in industry. And it will be a big loss to industry, plus it will be a loss of good opportunity to the people, because ultimately the goods are getting produced for people. But because of bad road, because of bad road conditions, it is not reaching people. It is not reaching potential customers. That's why if you want to strengthen your logistics, try to construct roads in a proper manner. There should be, there should be no corruption, ladies and gentlemen. There should be no corruption as far as construction of road is concerned. This is the basic human requirement. If you do corruption in this kind of thing, I think that you are not a man of character. I'm sorry to say this, but this is true. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.